Imagine a life where every day feels like a step forward, where small, consistent actions create a ripple effect of positive change. This is the power of atomic habits. Atomic habits are the tiny, everyday routines that may seem insignificant on their own. But when compounded over time, they have the potential to transform your life. By focusing on making small improvements every day, you can achieve remarkable results. Whether it's reading a few pages of a book, drinking more water, or taking a short walk, these habits build a foundation for lasting change. The key to success lies in the consistency of these actions. It's not about making radical changes overnight, but about being 1% better every day. These small changes can lead to significant improvements in all areas of your life: health, productivity, relationships, and well-being. They help you build momentum, stay motivated, and achieve your goals.
I'm Professor MB of the MBM Life Growth Channel. Let's start. We all have habits we'd like to change, but it can feel overwhelming. James Clear introduces the concept of atomic habits, tiny changes that can lead to big results over time. It's all about the power of 1% improvement. The first step is understanding the habit loop: cue, craving, response, and reward. By identifying the cues that trigger your habits, you can start to make changes. For example, if you want to read more, make the cue obvious by placing a book on your pillow. The craving is the desire to read, the response is picking up the book, and the reward is the satisfaction of reading. Clear outlines 4 laws of behavior change to help you create good habits and break bad ones. Let's break them down. First, make it obvious. Design your environment to make the cues for your good habits visible. For instance, if you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle on your desk. Second, make it attractive. Pair a habit you want to develop with something you enjoy. If you love listening to music, listen to your favorite playlist while exercising. Third, make it easy. Start with small, manageable actions. If you want to start meditating, begin with just 2 minutes a day. It's better to do a little than nothing at all. Fourth, make it satisfying. Reward yourself immediately after completing a habit. This helps reinforce the behavior and makes it more likely you'll repeat it. Now, let's talk about breaking bad habits. The reverse of the 4 laws can help here. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, and make it unsatisfying. Make it invisible. Remove cues for bad habits from your environment. If you tend to snack on junk food, don't keep it in the house. Make it unattractive. Reframe your mindset to see the negatives of your bad habits. If you're trying to quit smoking, focus on the health risks and cost. Make it difficult. Increase the friction for bad habits. If you want to reduce screen time, put your phone in another room while working. Make it unsatisfying. Create a consequence for bad habits. Tell a friend about your goal and have them hold you accountable. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that lead to significant results. Focus on building systems, not just setting goals. Systems create the environment for habits to thrive. In Atomic Habits, James Clear provides a roadmap for making tiny changes that lead to big results. By understanding and applying these principles, you can transform your habits and, ultimately, your life. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, stay tuned with us. Subscribe to our channel for the latest content.